is cool, isn't it? What a lovely little space. Love the sofa. I'm gonna have to get myself one.
Hey Rachel, welcome to the Cwtsh. What can I say? I'm so proud of you. This is the accumulation of all your life's hard work. You deserve it. I love you, I'm proud of you, and just enjoy. See you on my birthday. Bye.
That's my cousin Tracy. She's, like my second mum. Brought me up when I was going through a lot of stuff when I was younger, she used to come and sweep me up and look after me. So I owe a lot to her.
Hi Ffion, welcome to the Cwtsh.
Day one in Switzerland. Let's go!
Love you, Auntie Ffion. I love you, Auntie Ffion.
They're funny. Oh, they're cute. That's my sister, my nephews, all three of them. They're all under the age of 5, which is chaos. But yeah, very close to my family. They've been a huge part of my journey, and the boys are football obsessed. Saint, the 2-year-old, the middle one, he's middle child, he's chaos, but he can't go out without pulling his socks up to his knees because he wants football socks on, like Auntie Fee. So yeah, they're football obsessed. Their dad was going to be watching the whole tournament, so yeah, they're lush. They're really cute.
Yesterday, travelling in, I think it really hit home that we were coming to our first major tournament. So yeah, we've had a week out in Portugal, hot weather training. It has been boiling out there.
Our pre-Euro camp in Portugal was really fun, really hot, so getting used to the heat. Training was really good. Everyone's just excited to be out here, whether they're, players, training players, everyone's getting stuck in, and just, kind of 100% in now to make sure that we're getting the right prep for Switzerland, which is starting now. So yeah, been a really good week, good vibes. Everyone's kind of just laid back, enjoying the moment and taking it all in, really.
So we had a day off on Saturday. So a few of us went on the electric scooters. They were more like Harley Davidsons. So yeah, sat down on them. Went for a ride around Lagos. I had the lovely responsibility of being the lead on that. So I had my map up, trying to learn what side of the road I was driving on. But yeah, we did it. It was a success.
I was not part of the scooter team. I think if me and my friends went out on the scooters, one of us would have fallen off. I think Lily would have come back with cuts and bruises. Rianne wouldn't have been happy. So we took a miss on that. And our day off, what did we do on our day off? We just went to the beach. So that was nice. I'm really looking forward to the match week and just the buzz around the matches. I think we're all ready to get stuck in now. We're here, we're ready. So yeah, the closer we get to the games, I think the excitement's going to build up, and we'll throw ourselves in head first, and everyone's just buzzing for it, really.
It was very rushed yesterday, so I think today is going to be nice to just get on the field, stretch the legs, and delve into some tactics and technical work. Yeah, if you qualify for your first major tournament, if you can't come and enjoy it, you're in it for the wrong reason. So super excited to get this week's content out of the way and get into the game, because that's where the business end starts then.
My family will be there with bucket hats. My parents are out for the whole trip. My sisters are out for 2 of the games, and my partner's out for 2 of the games as well. So it'll be nice to have my loved ones there supporting me, and hopefully get some days with them in Switzerland as well, to kind of break up the camp a bit. But yeah, like I said at the start, they're such a big part of my journey, and to have them here with Ffion playing at the Euros, I think everyone's really excited. My grandma at home, she'll be watching for sure. Yeah, and she has to go in the kitchen for the anthem because she gets upset. So I know, really cute. But yeah, love you, Grams.
Got a lot of family coming out for the games. My cousin, who obviously just sent in the video, she's coming out with her son for the 10 days. My partner's coming out with her sister for the first game and coming back for the last game. And also my brother, his wife, and my nephew and father-in-law are coming out as well. So yeah, lots of family coming out to support the girls.
Playing for Wales is so special. Beth ydy yn golygu I chi? What does it mean to you?
Oh, I get asked that question a lot. What does it mean to me to play for Wales? It means everything to me to play for Wales. I think you know, getting to represent your country is the biggest honour that you can have. And also I think a massive part of it is pushing for better for the future, to make it more accessible for children and girls to play football in Wales.
Oh, what does it mean to me to play for Wales? I can't even put it into words. Like, I'm such a proud Welsh person, just like everyone in the squad. I've been brought up to be a very proud Welsh person. I'm a Welsh speaker. I grew up learning in Welsh. It's a huge part of who I am and who my family are. And yeah, so to be able to go out and represent my country every time is a pinch me moment. And yeah, whether it was the first time or now in the Euros, it's going to be exactly the same, and I can't wait.
Who are the ones that helped you to get to where you are now?
The ones who helped me to get here now, I think I've got an amazing support system. From when I was grassroots, people who would take me to training when I had no transport, managers that would push me in the right direction when I wasn't doing the best that I could, my family, my friends, my partner. Yeah, everybody who I surround myself with has pushed me and helped me to get to this point now.
My family are definitely the people that have put me in this position. The support they've given me, the encouragement they've given me, the car journeys to trainings, the hours they've spent in the car just waiting for me to finish, or the amount of Sundays they've spent on the sideline freezing cold in the rain. Yeah, without my parents, my mum specifically has made a lot of sacrifices for me to get where I am, and yeah, now they can make the bigger journey, not just to Bristol, they're making the journey to Switzerland instead, so yeah.
What were your aspirations when you were younger?
My aspirations when I was younger, I wouldn't say I aspired to be a footballer, because I didn't think I could be a female footballer, but I knew that I loved football and I wanted to play it for as long as I could. So yeah, it was always there. I didn't know what I wanted to do, but I think that was because I knew deep down that I wanted to be a female footballer. But it just wasn't possible right then, but it is now.
My aspirations when I was younger was just to play football. I just wanted to play. And then when I met Lauren Dykes is when I realised I wanted to play for Wales. I think I didn't know it was achievable or like that I could do it until I seen someone doing it. And hopefully, you know, younger people, when they're watching the Euros and they're seeing Wales on the big stage, they know that they could get to that point one day. So yeah, when I was 8 is when I realised like I want to do this, and yeah, here I am. Ooh.
Well, Has James was quite the cricketer apparently, so I'm going to go for Has.
I don't know. What did Rowie say? Didn't know she played for me. Okay. Elise.
Kerry, so I've heard. She's apparently a really good golfer.
Probably Raza. Yeah, she's crazy.
So I'm not sure if she'd survive a horror movie, but I'd like to see Kayleigh Barton in a horror movie.
Elise. She's a great cook.
Oh, that'd have to be my best mate. Jem Evans. She would invite me over at any point, even though she can't cook very well, but she's learning. That could be anyone.
Ella Powell. I think she does, actually. It's not her girlfriend, it's her dogs.
I've actually got my pet as my screensaver. So, yeah, there's a lot of people on camp with pets.
Me, obviously.
It would have to be Lils, Jem, Ffion Morgan, Hannah Kane, and I really couldn't put my finger on who would win. I think it would be Jem or Ffion. I'll go with Jem, I'd have to.
It's cute. I love this.
No, I love it. Invite me back whenever. I'll happily come and sit on this seat, and I want to know who made it.
Needs some aircon, but it's lush. I mean, a Cwtsh is warm though, I know.